high employment rate, the students who are employed, which are the majority of them.
Most of the students, all of them actually, I think, do really, really well, and I know they do really well on their national board exams, so they're very well prepared by the instructors here.
Because we have connections in the dental field, we can always recommend, positive environments for students to go for their practicum placement where we feel they'll learn the most.
My favorite part about CDI College is that it's hands-on and that we have a fully functional dental lab in the school, and that I can actually do the stuff for my career in the school and get the hands-on training that I need.
I would definitely recommend CDI College to my friends. I think that it's, in my opinion, a 10 out of 10. Like, you can't get better.